Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, today we are creating a mech part or mech part, depending on how you pronounce that, right? Basically a component of, let's say, a robot. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start with a circle and we're going to pull that out until we're happy with that. And then we're going to go to face mode and we're going to raise that up until we have a height that we're happy with. All right, then from here what we're going to do is we're going to kind of bite chunks out of it, and the way we're going to do that is grab another circle, jump to the top, make a circle something like this, hit G to move it to about there. I would say that seems to be about right. Then we're going to go and select this face. We're going to drag that down. In object mode, we're going to raise it up a little bit. Like this. Right, we got that selected. We're going to go to a radial array. Let's select this guy. And let's increase that number to about there. Looks about right. Then we're going to select this guy. We're going to hit Q on the keyboard. And then we're going to select all of these. Click on OK. There you go. We got that. We're going to hide this circle. That looks right. Then we're going to go and create another circle. To about there, I would say. We're going to go to edge mode, select it, we're going to hit P for pipe, click on OK, and then we're going to select this in object mode, Q on the keyboard, select this guy. Then we're going to go object mode, we're going to select this guy, hit Q, select this guy, click on OK. So now we have something looking like this. Let's hide our circle. Then we're going to go and grab a centerpiece. Let's actually make a hole to about there. All right. We're going to go to face mode. We're going to raise that up to about there. Right, we're going to combine these two, this guy and this guy. We're going to hit QQ. Then we're going to go in. We're going to punch a hole in the middle here. For that, we'll take a cylinder, pull that out like this. Pull it down like this, click on OK, and now we have a hole all the way through. Hide the circle. Then we're going to need a little rectangle. We're going to jump to the top here. Let's do not a corner rectangle, let's do a center rectangle, right? Okay. So let's do something like this. All right, I'm going to hit the G to raise that up to about there. Excuse me. Then we're going to go to face mode. We're going to pull it all the way through. Click on OK. Go to object mode. Grab this guy. Hit Q on the keyboard. Select this guy. Click on OK. And then hide this. And now we have a mechanical part. And if you like, you can go in and put a tiny chamfer on this right here, and of course here as well. Just to make it look a little bit cleaner. All right, and that's how you do it. Easy peasy, right? Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.